This is the 66 fit cold compression knee cuff. It's a one size fits all product, so when using it, these straps that you've got here are going to come round and attach onto here, and it can fit on any varying different sizes of legs. You're going to use this as a home therapy if you have injured your knee. You can also wear this over clothes. Obviously I've got shorts on, but if you were to have trousers on, if in an emergency, if you're playing sport and you needed to put this straight onto somebody's knee, if they've injured their knee on a football pitch or a rugby pitch or whatever, and they've got leggings on or something because it's a cold day, it can go straight on. It doesn't just have to go onto bare skin. You can see here, it's really easy to put this on. You're just going to pull the straps round, fasten them in place, and that's it. So the two parts to this, you've got the compression using the pipe and this pump, and you've obviously got the cold, which I'll show you in a sec when I take that off. At the top here you've got the two-way valve, so you've got on and off. You want to have that on, you're going to have that fixed in place, and then you're going to start to inflate this. You can see that it's filling up there, and that's what's applying the compression to my knee. So don't do it up so tight that it feels like your foot's going to start going tingly because you've stopped the blood circulation in your knee, but you want enough compression on the joint, obviously if you have injured it. Once you've pumped it up, turn the valve to the off position, and then you can unscrew this pipe, and you don't have to have this pipe dangling all over the place. If you are pumping this up and you want to let some of the air out, you've also got a little valve here, so you can push that down and that'll obviously let the air out of the cuff. Once you're finished using it, you can turn the valve back to the on position. You can hear the air coming out of that. I'll just screw this back on. Now on the inside, you can see here this blue bit is the gel pack. That's really easy to take out. Take this out, you can put that in the freezer up to about 2 hours. It's going to get that nice and cool. Then when it is cold enough, you can put that back into here, fix it in place, line the two holes up, and then you're good to go. This material itself is really easy to keep clean as well, so you can just wipe that down with a damp cloth and sponge any marks off of that. Put that back in there. Now, there are a couple of ways that you can use this. You can either use it by just putting it on, leaving it on, and allowing the cold and the compression to work, or you can do some contrast, so you can go between hot and cold on your knee. So you'd sit with it for about 10 minutes, nice and cold and the compression, take it off, maybe run your knee under some warm water or put a nice warm pack on there to get the blood flow going again, then go back to the cold, another 10 minutes with the cold and the compression on there, and then go back to the warm. That's a really good way of reducing swelling, and it's another effective way of using a cold compression cuff. If you are looking for further information on this product, then please refer to our YouTube channel.